Hi friends, welcome back. Today we will be learning about noun. We'll learn what is a noun and have an introduction on the different types of noun. So let's go and get started. A noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an idea, like an airplane, a ball, a cat, a house. Person like Mr. John, a teacher, a girl, a police officer, are people and they are also nouns. A dog, a rabbit, an elephant, butterflies are also animals and they are nouns. Things like cars, chair, tree, balloons are nouns. America, a playground, school are places and they are also nouns. And things inside the playground are also nouns. Idea is also another type of noun, is which we can only feel, like love, friendship, fear, happiness. Concrete noun, the noun which we can easily classify using our five senses. So we can easily hear, see, touch, taste, and smell these nouns. Concrete nouns are generally a person, an animal, a thing, a place. Concrete noun examples can be like a pencil, books, a wave, a baby, salt, coins, pumpkin, rainbow. Rainbow is a different type of concrete noun. It is a concrete noun that we can only see. Let's move on to another type of noun. Our next type is the abstract noun, the noun which we cannot classify or identify using our five senses, but they still have a name. So we cannot hear, see, touch, taste, or smell them in order to identify them. Abstract nouns are generally an emotion, feeling, quality, or an idea. Let's take a look at some examples for abstract noun. They can be like freedom, pleasure, beauty, peace, justice, energy, honesty, care. So these are abstract nouns because they can either be an emotion, feeling, quality, or an idea, and we cannot identify these using our five senses, but they still have a name. Our next is that nouns can be singular or plural nouns. Singular nouns stand for one person, one animal, one thing, or one place, just like a fire truck. Here, there is only one fire truck. Plural nouns stand for more than one person, one animal, one thing, or one place, just like fire trucks. Here, there are more than one fire truck. So this is a plural noun. Let's take a look at some more examples. Here, a flower is singular. When we say flowers, it is plural. If we say puppy, it is singular because there's only one puppy. If we say puppies, it's plural because there are many puppies. And another example we can take a look at is child. There's only one child. But if you say children, there are many children. So this can be a singular noun or a plural noun. Let's take a look at other noun types. A noun can be common noun or proper noun. A common noun doesn't name a particular person or thing or place, whereas a proper noun identifies a particular person or animal or thing or place. Let's take some examples to understand it better. Let's say if we had a girl. This can be any girl. It is general. But if we say that the girl is Jenny, then we're being more specific about who the girl is. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say a country. Here, it is a common noun because we're again being not specific. It can be any country. But if we say that this country is India, then we're being more specific about what country it is. So this now is a proper noun. Let's take a look at some other examples. Let's say a mountain. Mountain is also general and can be any mountain. So it's a common noun. But if we say that this mountain is Mount Everest, then it is a proper noun because we're being more specific of what the mountain is or which mountain it is. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say a book. Here, we're not being specific about which book it is. It can be any book, so it is a common noun. But if we say that the book is Life of Pi, then we're being more specific about it and saying that the book name is Life of Pi. So this is now a proper noun. Let's take a look at more examples to understand it. The name of countries, mountains, rivers, building, festivals, special days like New Year, Christmas are also proper nouns. Remember, the first letter of each word of a proper noun is always capitalized. Now let's learn about another type of noun. Possessive noun. Possessive noun shows possession or ownership. Like man, it would show possessionship by saying man's, like man's car. The car is owned by the man. Same for the others. Cats, Sandy's, children's, woman's, doctors, boys. Remember that possessive noun is formed by just adding an apostrophe with S or only an apostrophe at the end if the noun already ends with S. Our next noun is a collective noun. Collective noun represents a group of people, animals, or things, just like a team, crowd, committee, flock, choir, or group. So examples can be like a class of students. Here, we take the whole class as a group. So therefore, it is a collective noun. Another example like a bowl of rice, a family, an army, a bundle of sticks. So these are all collective nouns because they either represent a group, team, crowd, committee, flock, choir, and like that. So these are collective nouns. So today we learned about what is noun and an introduction to the different types of noun with examples. So in another video, we will discuss details about each type of noun and their rules. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and bye!